Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Nabita Khairunisa Sapujanto. You can call me Bita or Nabita. In this video, I will explain my internship experience. My internship experience at Garuda Magic Flow System. I arrive I arrived at 7 a.m. and there is a morning briefing with the leader. After the briefing, I do the 5R sweep and clean the work area. I usually wait for 5 minutes. Once they arrive, I immediately assemble them one by one. There are usually a lot of parts, so it takes quite a long time to assemble 200 pieces. The uh, the most completed items, in my opinions, are the Yamaha and Kawasaki bikes. They are as long as my body, so I find it a bit difficult to assemble them. There are also a lot of parts. Yeah. After assembling, I put the item in a heating machine. Heating machine to warm it up so that I would be hard when jigging, but I didn't do the jigging process. That was the employee's job. I was worried the item will tilt and become NG. After the jig is crimping, each item must be checked individually using a testing machine. I am the one who does this. So the items are installed one by one. After installation, they are checked for leaks. If there is a leak of defect, the machine will usually make a very loud noise when installing the items into the machine. One must also be careful, otherwise the items will collide and become NG. I have a picture of the testing machine, but it's very bad, very poor quality, because I took it when I was bored. Um, wait. I'm so sorry. This is my test mesin tester yang yang it's bad. Everything has been tested. The next step is to glue the items one by one using grommets. I usually this is not my job, but I often help the employees there when I am not bushy. Gluing the item is very difficult. People might think that gluing item is easy, but in reality it's very hard, difficult. There is a technique to it. The item must not be dirty, and if they get I on them, it's difficult to remove. After everything has been cleaned, the next step is packing or final inspection. There each 10 pieces are checked, but they must also be checked one by one to see if there are any scratches or dents, if any parts are torn or missing for the assembly, if the glue is strong, and if the art items are dirty or not. Just explain. I'm using Yamaha and Kawasaki product. The product is Mylan are very different, with many different steps such as SIM and Chemco. They are very different and very difficult for me because they are very hard to assembly, and very painful. SIM is very annoying for me, so you have to add the iron pipes one by one to the product. When moving the product, I have to use plaster to so that my fingers don't get scratched. But even with the plaster, my fingers still get injured and become closer. Okay, that's all for me. I apologize if I have made any mistakes, and I apologize if my English is very bad, and I am not fluent in speaking. That's all. Thank you.